Namaste everyone, I am Sagar Banzade from ER.pedia. With your love and blessing, my channel is growing and soon I will get 2k subscriber. So thank you in advance. Today the video is all about the calendar. In our daily work with Excel, we have to write a date in cell and it consumes time. So to minimize the time, we use add-ins and pick our date. And in this Excel file, this is the add-in that I have installed. So when I right click on this, here I can select this date and insert this date. Increase this size. Yes, just below this date, it will show the calendar icons. When I click on this calendar icon, I can easily select the date and insert the date. This is the beauty of the add-in, the date picker. If you want to insert here, you can directly click this date picker and select this date, or either you can right click from here and click on this date picker and select this date. It will save your time. So in order to reduce the time in writing the date, so we use this date picker method so that we could insert the date in an easiest way. In any Excel version, there is no option of date picker, so we have to install our custom file. You can even create your date picker, but in this video I'll not explain you how to make a date picker here, but in this video is all about how to install and insert the date picker in the Excel version, in any version of Excel. In order to insert this date picker, now first I will remove this date picker from my Excel file. In order to do that, I'll go to my location here, and this is the zip file that I have downloaded. I'll delete this zip file and also the file location of date picker. I'll delete this. Because the file is open in the Excel, so we cannot complete our task. In order to delete this date picker, we have to close this Excel file first. I'll close this Excel file. Now I can delete this file. Select this file and press delete button. The file has been deleted. If you open the Excel, then you will see there will be no date picker available. Yes, here it has been clearly mentioned that we could not find the date picker. Is it possible it was moved? Rename the date. Okay, now select this. Here you can see in the home tab there is no date picker. Previously in the home tab there is a date picker add-ins. Yes, the date picker has been deleted. Now, so the video is all about how to insert the add-ins. So in order to get that file, you have to open your Chrome, and here you have to type Samrad apps and hit enter. Here you go to this Excel date picker add-in, scroll this and go down. Here you see the options are, you see the download link. So when you click on this download now, it will ask for the locations. I'll save this file in the local disk G and software date picker, and I'll save this file here. The file has been downloaded. I'll open this file in this folder here. Now you have to extract this zip file and click on this extract here. The file has been extracted. You can keep this file here and insert the add-ins directly to the Excel, but I will keep this file in the safest location so that the file won't be deleted unknowingly. So in order to do that, just select this file and press Ctrl and X, cut this file, and we will place this file in the safest locations. For that, we have to go to the local disk C, and here you will see the options user. Click on this user and click on this Saroj. This Saroj folder is created by myself and the public is created by the PC. So I'll click on this Saroj because the Microsoft has been installed in the Saroj folder. So click on this Saroj here. Here is the option app data. This is the hidden file. If the file is not shown in your PC, then you can click this file and click this change folder and search option. Go to this view and you have to select this show hidden file folders and drive, and when you click on this apply and click on this OK, the app data will be shown in your. Now click on this app data, and here there's a roaming. Go inside the roaming. You will see the options of Microsoft. Click on this Microsoft, and here click on this add-ins. Now you have to paste your add-ins here. Now press Ctrl and V to paste the date picker. You can directly click on this date picker and insert that file to the Excel. Only if you have enabled the developer options. If you haven't enabled the developer options, then you have to first enable the developer options, these developer options in the ribbon. In order to get the developer options in the ribbon, you have to click this file here, click on this more, and click on this option. Here you have to go to the customize ribbon, and in this customize ribbon, here there is option of developer. You have to check this developer option and click on this OK. Then the developer option will be available in your ribbon. Now you can insert your add-ins, the date picker add-ins, in this Excel file. In order to do that, again go to this file here, go to the option, click this add-ins. In the add-ins, click on this go option here, and the date picker has been selected. If there is no option available here, then you can browse it also. When you click on this browse it, and go to the folder where the date picker, the add-ins has been saved, and then select this date picker and click on this OK. Yes, this has been already in this location, so it is showing this message. Now when you check this date picker and click on this OK, the date picker will be shown in this home tab. Now you can insert the date directly. Click on this date picker, the date has been inserted. Now when you right click here, the date picker option is available. If it is not available, then you can click this date picker, and here you have to check this show on right click option. When you check this show on right click options, then the date picker will be available here, and from here you can easily select the date you want. Just below the calendar option is available, and you can select the date. If you want to insert the date here, you can either directly click on this date and insert the date, or you can right click here and click on this date picker and insert the date. These are the options available in this add-ins, and these add-ins helps you to save your time. Now you don't need to type your date like this. Now you can easily insert your date using the date picker add-ins. This is the beauty of the date picker add-ins. So the video is all about the date picker, the downloading the date picker, inserting the date picker in the Excel file. Furthermore, you can also get the add-in from here also in the insert tab. This add-in you have to insert in every Excel file you opened. Here you can select this my add-in. Here I have already downloaded this mini calendar in date picker. In order to download the mini calendar, you have to go to the store, and here search calendar. It will show this calendar item. When you click on this add, the calendar will be downloaded, and it will show the calendar here in the Excel file. You have to download or already download Excel file. You have to select this add-ins. You have to go to this my add-ins and select your add-ins to insert this calendar, available calendar. So if you select this cells and click on this date, the date has been inserted. This how you can also select your date. But the inserting adding is more easiest than the downloading the add-ins from the Excel, because it occupies the space in your Excel file. But custom add-in date picker, you don't it won't occupy your space on this worksheet. This is the beauty of the date picker add-ins we have inserted in our Excel file. If you found this video informative, then like my video and subscribe my channels and help me to reach the 10K subscriber within the 2 months. Thank you for watching my video.